Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and today we're going to be talking about the differences between the Dell Latitude 5424 and the Panasonic Toughbook FZ-55. Both of these are the flagship semi-rugged laptops from both of these organizations. So obviously the very first difference you can see is the Dell is a little thicker than the Panasonic. In fact, is even a little heavier than the Panasonic. I will tell you, based on build construction, the Dell seems to be a little tougher built than the Panasonic does. We have rubber bumpers on the corners, even on the corner of the screens like there. It also has very stiff and, which I think is great, hinges for the screen, whereas the Panasonic is not quite as robust. Both of them have great keyboards. I love both of these keyboards. They're bouncy and they're both backlit, so you're going to be able to see them in the dark. So the keyboards are great. The Dell, however, has a slightly larger, and I'm going to point it here, mouse pad right here as compared to the Panasonic, which is a bit smaller, as well as the buttons are even smaller. The Dell seems to be larger here. Now I will tell you, with the Dell, I love the handle. You can see this handle is definitely robust and well made. And in fact, if you drop it and it hits like this, that handle is going to help protect this laptop. Whereas the Panasonic, it's got this metal handle and it's not quite as robust as your Dell is. So you wouldn't want to drop it on this side. I don't think it would protect the laptop as based on how you dropped it. The other difference that I don't like about the Panasonic versus the Dell is the Panasonic has these plastic hinged port covers, which tend to wear and eventually fall off. And if you look, you can see what I'm talking about. It's just a plastic bend area. Whereas with the Dell, if we look at the Dell, and right here, these are actual hinged, metal hinged port covers. So they are not going to wear off or break off as easy as the Panasonic would. That is pretty much the basics of the differences between these two units: the weight, the size of the mouse pad, the hinges on the screen, as well as the handles that we're looking at. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, please, and I'll see you guys next week.